That got caught on camera, did it, Paul? I thought I beat the recording on that one. Thank you very much, Paul, for that. Appreciate that. Alrighty. Welcome, everybody. This is our 2020 Absolute Football Fat Packs one box break number 128. 128. We do have 7 teams. No, Paul, no allergies, just a single sneeze from something. I'm not sure where it came from. Allergies have not been bothering me though this far this year, so I've been lucky with that. Just a single sneeze. So here's our owner's list for box number 128. All the teams that are available will be $7, and we will do a combo spot for all 7 if anybody wants to grab all of them. So as you can see there from the sheet, we have the Falcons, the Panthers, the Browns, Broncos, Texans, Giants, and the Titans. All 7 teams will be $7, or if anybody wants to grab all 7, I'll do a spot deal. All 7 teams for $35. So you will save $14 by buying all 7, basically getting 2 teams for free. Kyle, if you're already in the break, they'll be $7. If you're not in the break, I'll have to add shipping. But if you're currently in this break or the score break for later, it'll be $7 for the Broncos. All 7 teams are $7 a piece, or all 7 teams for $35. Spot deal for all 7 teams. So $7 per team if you're in the break. If you're not on the break, we'll have to add a couple bucks for shipping. Or you can have all 7 teams for $35, and that does include shipping. So what I'll do is I'll get all the cards out, and those teams will be for sale until I show the first card of the break. No, Mr. Autograph, this is the 2020 Panini Absolute Football Fat Packs 1 box break. The 2 box break is tonight. We have our 2 jumbo hobby boxes of Topps Series 2. That's tonight. That's 2 boxes. Our Absolute breaks are always 1 box. So yeah, this is 1 box Fat Pack break of Absolute. No worries. So going to be a short day for breaks today. We just have our 3 breaks for today. Tomorrow we'll pick it back up with we have 6 breaks tomorrow, but today is only 3. We have the score break here, or I'm sorry, the absolute break here. Then we have our Score 2021 Score Fat Pack box. And then tonight we have our 2021 Top Series 2 jumbo boxes. 2 jumbo boxes are going tonight. If you guys are interested in some Top Series 2 jumbo, those teams are going on our eBay right now. They should be ending in about 5 hours or so. Alright, that is our box open, packs open, cards are out. I don't see anybody in chat claiming teams, so we are going to get right into it. Good luck, guys. See what we can find in here. Greens of Joey Bosa, Kirk Cousins. Our rookie is a Josh Uche for the Patriots, Danny C. And we have a nice insert here. Nice Tua Tagovailoa introductions insert rookie. This is going to the Miami Dolphins. Jason T. Jason T has the Dolphins in this one. Nice one there. Unsung Heroes, Julian Edelman. Jake Fromm. There's a Ben DiNucci. There's a Justin Jefferson. Vikings, Michael H. Greens of Derek Carr, Deebo Samuel. Another green rookie for the Patriots. Back-to-back green rookies for the Patriots. This is Dalton Keene. Dalton Keene. New England Patriots. Fantasy Flashbacks, Dan Marino. Michael Thomas, stargazing insert. J.K. Dobbins. Cam Akers, that's a nice one for the Rams. Our reds or our greens are DeAndre Hopkins, J.J. Watt, and our rookie for the Washington football team, Steven Montez. Steven Montez. Tre'Davious White, Unsung Heroes insert. Red Zone Alvin Kamara. Jacob Eason. Utir Gross Matos. Jerry Jeudy. There's a CeeDee Lamb. That's a cool one for the Cowboys. Michael H. again. Oh, we have an orange. I'm actually going to save that orange parallel for the end. See if I can pull it out without revealing it. There we go. Put that right here. Save that for the end. Hopefully it's a nice rookie. Green, Adrian Peterson. Miles Sanders, and a green Gabriel Davis rookie for Buffalo, Ryan R. Stargazing, Josh Allen. Introductions insert rookie, Jerry Jeudy. Chase Claypool. Hey, there we go. Jalen Hurts, that's a nice one. Jalen Hurts for the Eagles, base rookie. Anthony C. Anthony C. has the Eagles. A.J. Dillon. Jonathan Taylor. Cole Kmet. Greens of Devontae Adams and Todd Gurley. And our rookie is going to the Cowboys. It's a Trayvon Diggs. Trayvon Diggs. Red Zone, Josh Jacobs insert. Fantasy Flashback, Brett Favre. There's a Jordan Love. Nice one for the Packers. Michael H. And there's a Joe Burrow. Mr. Burrow. That's going to the Bengals. Cincinnati Bengals are Chris D. Chris D. There you go, Chris. There's a Burrow for you. Greens of Dalvin Cook, C.J. Mosley, and our green rookie. It's a decent one. Clyde Edwards-Helaire for the Chiefs. Introductions insert rookie. That's a nice one too. Justin Jefferson for the Vikings. Michael H. Michael H. having a very nice break so far. Unsung Heroes. Shaquille Barrett. Joe Reed. Chase Young. That's a nice insert. Or a rookie for the Washington. John B. Greens of Adam Thielen and Le'Veon Bell. And our green rookie is going to be for the 49ers, Javon Kinlaw. Javon Kinlaw for the 49ers. Red Zone, Nick Chubb insert. Emmitt Smith, Fantasy Flashback insert. Gabriel Davis. Clyde Edwards-Helaire. Mitchell Trubisky. Drew Brees. Greens of Jared Goff. Austin Eckler. And our rookie is going to be for the Jets, LaMichael Perrin or Pirine. Introductions insert rookie, Antonio Gibson. That's a nice one. Unsung Heroes, Mark Andrews. Oh, there's a Tua Tagovailoa. Miami's going to Jason T. There you go, Jason. Second Tua for you. The break. Michael Perrin again. Tom Brady. There's a green David Johnson and Darren Waller. Our green rookie is going to be Desmond Patman for the Colts. Desmond Patman. Fantasy Flashback, Phil Simms. Stargazing, Josh Jacobs. Jalen Johnson. Brandon Ayuk. Donovan Peoples-Jones. Joshua Kelly. Drew Lock. Greens of Carson Wentz and Christian McCaffrey. And then for the Bengals, we have a T. Higgins, green rookie, T. Higgins. Zadarius Smith, Unsung Heroes. Red Zone, Dalvin Cook. Jason Huntley, Antonio Gandy Golden. DeAndre Swift, Henry Ruggs. Greens of Julio Jones, Dwayne Haskins. I believe he's with the Steelers now. Our green rookie is a James Prochet for the Ravens. Introductions insert rookie Jonathan Taylor. And there is a Justin Herbert. Nice rookie here for the Chargers. Justin Herbert rookie. Chargers are going out to Jason T. There you go, Jason. There's a Herbert for you. Justin Herbert. There we go. So we got Darnell Mooney. Isaiah Coulter. Van Jefferson. Ryan Edwards. Greens of Sam Darnold, Derrick Henry, and our last green rookie is going to be an Anthony McFarland Jr. for the Steelers. Michael M's getting that one. Anthony McFarland Jr. green. Red Zone, Lamar Jackson insert. Fantasy Flashbacks, Terrell Davis. Isaiah Simmons, Jeff Okuda, Darrington Evans, Antonio Gibson. Alright, so let's go ahead and find out who this orange parallel is. It's going to be this way. So good luck, guys. Let's see who our numbered card is. It is a rookie. For the 49ers, we have a Juwan Jennings. Juwan Jennings. He's in his Tennessee Volunteers uniform, so that looks kind of good with the orange parallel on the orange jersey. Juwan Jennings, rookie orange parallel, numbered to 149. 99 of 149 for the 49ers. That's going to Danny C. We're going to start our recap with this one here. Juwan Jennings, rookie orange parallel to 149 for the 49ers and Danny C. Then we had a Justin Herbert, base rookie for the Chargers and Jason T. Tua Tagovailoa, base rookie for Miami and Jason T. Joe Burrow, base rookie for the Bengals and Chris D. Jalen Hurts, rookie for the Eagles, Anthony C. And we did have a Tua Tagovailoa insert introductions rookie for the Miami Dolphins and Jason T. So that is going to do it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. We'll be back in roughly a half an hour with our 2021 score football. So until then, thanks to everybody that was in the break. Appreciate you guys. Thanks to everybody that was in chat. And if I don't see you, have a great rest of your day. Stay safe. We'll talk to you soon.